The Mini 3 Pro is the newest model in DJI's series of lightweight, sub 250 grams drones and the most exciting in the series so far. DJI seems poised to reset expectations for what consumers can expect in such a compact model. DJI introduced the original Mavic Mini, with a small, f/.3 sensor and basic features, back in October 2019. Then, a bit over a year later, it ditched the Mavic moniker with the Mini 2. The Mini 2 added important features, such as raw photo capture, but still had the same small sensor and lacked important features like obstacle avoidance. In contrast, the Mini 3 Pro boasts a larger 1.3 sensor with a fast f/1.7 lens, has a gimbal that can shoot vertically, 3-direction obstacle avoidance, and still weighs less than 250 grams. Of particular note is a new Intelligent Flight Plus battery, which gives the aircraft a staggering 47 minutes of flight time but causes the drone's takeoff weight to exceed 250 grams. However, the Mini 3 Pro's standard battery still delivers a healthy 34 minutes of flight time, 3 minutes longer than the Mini 2. At 145 by 90 by 62 mm folded down, the Mini 3 has a longer, more comprehensive frame than its predecessor. The propellers are longer, and the frame's material is lighter to keep it under 250 grams. The batteries are inserted into the back of the aircraft. The Mini 3 has a 3-way obstacle detection and avoidance system. Sensors can be found on the aircraft's top, bottom, and rear. There are no sensors on the sides, like the Mavic Air 2. Additionally, there is no auxiliary light on the bottom for landing. UPAS 4.0 isn't DJI's latest autopilot system, with version 5.0 found on more advanced models, including the Mavic 3 series. It automatically identifies obstacles and creates a path around them and is highly effective when recording up to 2.7K/30p video. While it works with 2.7K/60p video, I didn't find that it wanted to bypass obstacles and halted the drone on my own. Unfortunately, UPAS does not work when the 4K video is activated. The DJI RC remote comes with the Mini 3's top-of-the-line Fly More combo. It is a vast improvement over the DJI RC Pro, which is also compatible. Lightweight, 385 grams versus the DJI RC Pro's 680 grams weight, and ergonomically friendly, the wheels, found on top of the remote to adjust the gimbal tilt and digitally zoom in and out, are more pronounced and make maneuvering the camera a breeze. In addition, there are slots for the joysticks, and their base is thicker. The Mini 3 Pro's camera has a 48MP, 1.3 CMOS sensor, which we suspect is this sensor from OmniVision. It includes dual native ISO, 2 conversion gain modes, supports tone-mapped HDR footage, more excellent range squeezed into an SDR space, and can capture both 12MP and 48MP images. It uses a 24mm, equiv, f/1.7 fixed aperture lens that delivers an 82.1 degrees FOV. It rests on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that can rotate to portrait orientation. First found on the original Mavic Pro, this feature allows users to shoot social media-friendly vertical images without sacrificing quality due to cropping from a landscape image. You can use a few different modes to shoot photos: single, 48MP, even brackets of 3 and 5 images, burst mode, and time shots. Unfortunately, the smartphone, introduced with the Mavic Air 2, which also offers 48MP photos, is unavailable on the Mini 3. This feature, which adjusts major elements including sun, skies, and trees, seems to have been discontinued. While 48MP images contain more data and are of higher quality, you can only shoot them as a single image. Shooting in burst, EB, or timed modes automatically gives you a 12MP shot. When you hit 48MP, you should ensure you have your settings optimized, as you won't have several different frames to work with in post-processing. The Mini 3 is the first sub 250 grams drone to offer 4K/60p video at 150 megabits per second with either an H.264 or H.265 codec. It's worth noting that shooting at any frame rate over 2.7K/30p will disable UPAS 4.0 and focus track. This means stopping and bypassing obstacles, plus tracking and following subjects are impossible while recording a 4K video. The Mini 3 Pro uses the DJI Fly app, which also powers the other Mini drones, Mavic Air 2, Air 2S, and even the Mavic 3 series. First introduced in November 2019 with the Mavic Mini, the pared-down, intuitive interface showcases all the photo, video, and intelligent flight mode settings on the same screen with a multi-tiered menu. Toggling between manual or autofocus, zooming in or out without using the gimbal wheel, and switching from landscape to portrait orientation is straightforward. The three dots at the upper right-hand corner of the app allow you to access more advanced settings, including DJI video mode, photo sizes and formats, gimbal calibration, and operating frequencies. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.